Hi everyone! Just wanted to give you a quick update on the channel and where we're going. As you saw from last week's video, we're moving away from just doing leatherwork videos and we're going to start doing things about woodwork. My main two passions in craft are leatherwork and green woodworking. I have some ideas about doing some more spoon carving videos and bowl carving videos coming up, as well as Tim and I have a challenge planned coming up. I have another collab video with Phil coming up. It's going to be leatherwork based. There's going to be lots of leatherwork coming up on the channel. There's going to be lots of wood carving, as well as some guests coming on to 5 Tool Tuesday to tell us the 5 most important tools in their craft. I have more leatherwork 5 Tool Tuesdays coming up. I'm getting a new axe probably next week, so I want to do a whole review on that. I'm really into bowl carving right now. I might do shorts once in a while. If you do subscribe to the channel and you do like what I'm doing, I'd really love it if you would share some of my videos and get them out to people who you think might like them. That would just help the channel so much and I would really appreciate it. Thanks for all that you do for me, watching my videos, commenting, subscribing to the channel, leaving likes. Thanks so much. I really do appreciate it. So stick around. We're going to continue on this path of doing more crafting videos, woodworking, leatherworking. If you have an idea for a 5 Tool Tuesday or a 1 Tool Wednesday, or just a review or a challenge you think I could do, just drop it in the comments, let me know. Share the videos. I really appreciate all your support and all your help. So thanks a lot. We'll see you again. Peace.